are you? We can't wait to see you back. But we've talked about all of the other kingdoms. We talked about the animal kingdom, and we talked about the cell kingdom, and today it's time to talk about the plant kingdom. And what better time to do that than fall? I know a lot of you are planning a weekend trip maybe up to Flagstaff or Prescott or even Oak Creek Canyon because it's time. The leaves are turning and it's time to go leaf peeping, which is an awesome time to talk about leaves. Leaves are the part of the tree that creates energy for the tree. Green leaves contain parts in their cell called chlorophyll. And chlorophyll is what is going to turn the sun's energy into plant energy so that the plant can grow, make fruit, and store energy for the winter. Plants hibernate, kind of like bears, and they grow their leaves in the summer, in spring, and all summer long they absorb energy from the sun and take it down into their body and down into their roots. And then when the fall comes, they no longer need that energy producing mass, so the leaves begin to die. The chlorophyll fades, and when the chlorophyll fades, we can see the other colors or pigments in the leaf that were there all along, but they were being masked by the beautiful green chlorophyll. And when the chlorophyll fades as the leaf dies, the leaf will turn yellow if most of the pigments were yellow, or even red or burgundy if those pigments were hiding behind the green. Once the leaves die, they fall to the ground and the tree stores the energy from those leaves all through the winter until in the spring it sprouts new leaves to get more energy again. Today, we are spending some time identifying different types of leaves in the garden. And leaves come in lots of different shapes. When it's a single leaf on a stem, we call it a simple leaf. When many leaflets, these little guys that share a stem, we call that a compound leaf, and the little individual leaves are leaflets. The simple leaves and compound leaves have different names depending on the arrangement and the shape of the leaf. So today I'm going to attach a cheat sheet that you can use to label your leaf booklet. On this simple leaf shapes, it names the different leaf shapes, and if you, for instance, picked up a leaf like this, you would compare it and you would say, oh, I think that is the best match. And so you would label this simple cordate in your booklet. If you picked up a compound leaf, you go to this shape of leaf arrangements and ask yourself, is it just a triplet? That's called a trifoliate. Is it leaflets with more leaflets off of it? That's called a bipinnate. Is it leaves on opposite side of the little stem? Even number? That's opposite arrangement. Or do they alternate from one side to the other without a matching side? That's compound alternate. So for any of these, you would say compound palmate or compound pinnate. You can leave your booklet as a shape, or you can turn it into a little booklet like we did and take the leaves that you find in along with their labels. See how many leaves you can find in your yard and post us a picture. We're looking forward to seeing your leaves.